What's going on, team? I'm glad you made it back to another workout video. Today we're going to be working on our scapular muscles and our posture using our at-home suspension training that we made in our previous video. So a lot of people now are at home, probably bored, watching TV a lot on the couch, slumped over, or on their phones a lot. I can even say that I've been doing that a lot more frequently than I have been recently. So we need to be using these exercises to help our posture and our form. Or even if you're still working, or you're coming from a job where you're at a desk a lot and you're hunched over, these exercises are going to be great for you. So exercises that we're going to be doing in this video are going to be Y raises, we're going to be doing face pulls, upside down A's, we're going to be doing shoulder raises as well, and then finally we're going to be doing a single arm row. And I'm going to show you how you can customize the exercise. That way you're not using so much of your body weight for the one arm row, and then it's not going to be so hard for you. The focus of it is going to be so you can also see your imbalances and see where you need to work on, and see how being hunched over has affected you throughout the years. But no worries, because these exercises are going to definitely help and make a difference for your life. So quick, sure to hit that notification bell so you get a notification every single time that we do produce a new video, and then also hit that like button, comment down below what you're interested in seeing for further videos, and make sure to hit that subscribe button as well. So let's get into it. So for these exercises, you're going to be wanting to hit about 10 to 12 reps, depending on your fitness level. I would say doing about 10 reps is okay, and doing 3 sets of each. Right? So we're going to go through a circuit showing you each of the exercises and how to perform them. But when you're doing these, you don't necessarily have to do a circuit. You can if you like to, and then just give yourself about a minute's amount of rest, or a minute and a half worth of rest between each exercise. So the first exercise that we're going to be doing is our Y raise. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab hold of the suspension trainer, right? And then if you want to make it more difficult, you can put your feet by the door or even on the door. But for showing purposes, you're just going to put our feet back. And also, if you want to make it a little more easier for yourself, you can also just bring your feet back behind you so you're not so close to the door. So with the Y raises, you're going to hang, right? You're going to keep your chest up, posture straight as much as you can, and you're going to bring your arms overhead. If it's too easy for you, you're going to notice that your body's going to be jumping yourself forward, because you're going to be pulling with so much force that you're going to be moving forward, right? So keep note of that. Also, if you're far back and you feel like it's still a little too difficult, you can widen up your legs and straddle them open. That way your base of support is bigger, and it's going to be a little easier for you, and you're going to keep more balance, right? So you do from here, bring the hands overhead, chest up, and then slowly back down. Back up, back down. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh, always go right back down. Alright, so while you're doing these exercises, you want to avoid having an excessive arch in your back. So what you want to do is squeeze onto your glutes. That way your glutes are protecting your back, so you're not putting so much pressure on that lumbar spine. Also, while you're doing this, the entire movement, you want to try to control with your back scapular muscles here. That way, that's getting the most out of the exercise, instead of using your whole body to rock you back and forth. Alright, so the next exercise we're going to be doing is a face pull. I'll show you how to do that. You're going to grab them how you did before. From here, you're going to bring your elbows back, hands to the face, using the scapular muscles, squeeze them, and then bring them right back. Squeeze them up, back, you should breathe. There we go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Awesome. Like I mentioned in the previous video, you can also do these exercises, how I said, doubled up. behind the door so you have a handle grip if that's more comfortable for you. For me, I've been wanting to train my grip a little more, so I'm doing it like this. You can do it either way, whichever is easier, more comfortable for you. But as long as you're getting the maximum amount of gains, you know, you're gonna feel it on your back. Like I'm already feeling it now. Also, I did also forget to mention that when you're making this system in your house, what you can do if you still don't feel so secure is that you can lock the door, and by locking the door, you're gonna make sure that it stays in place and it's not pulling forward. If that's something that you're scared about, even though you still should be safe. Alright? So the next exercise we're gonna be doing is aim, right? So from where we are before, but now we're gonna be going downward. So we're gonna be pulling downward, right? You wanna make sure your hands are a little lower. On this one, since it's gonna be by your waist, right? Down, right? Down, and the lower you go, the harder it's gonna be, right? So you come up, down, right, down, back up, there we go. Right. Awesome. Okay. So those are the A's. The next one we're going to be doing is the shoulder presses. So how we're going to do that is we're pretty much going to want to go into the same position as we were with the face pull. But now from here, we're going to press up, press back down, and back up. So we're going to pretty much just be using our scap muscles how we were before. If you want to wrap your hands inside, you can as well. Alright. Bring it a little lower. Awesome. So from here, alright, into that face pull position. Or in the way, so you're going up, down, up, down. Again, chest up, use those scapular muscles. Whew. Definitely feel those. Awesome. And for the last exercise, like I said, we're going to be doing our single arm row. So, just going to use one of them. If you still feel like it's hard, even if moving back, widening your base of support, you can make it even easier by holding on to both while you're doing this exercise, and you're still pulling with one arm. So let's say we're going to start with the left arm first. We hold on to one, and we pull in, and back down, pull in, and back down. That way the other hand is giving us some support if we need it, but if not, we come down, we pull ourselves in, just like this. All the way back up. Right. There you go. 8, 9. Awesome. Now let's switch our arms. Back. There we go. And perfect. So those are 5 exercises that you can be doing at your home with our suspension trainer that we made ourselves. These exercises are going to be working on your scapular muscles in your back. Alright? They're also going to be working on maintaining your posture and overall making you feel better. These are a lot of muscles that people don't necessarily work on. They're smaller muscles, but very, very important for your body. Alright? So, like I said earlier, when doing these exercises, you don't have to do them in a circuit routine or with literal breaths as I did. Obviously for the video, this is how we perform them, right? But when you're doing them for yourself, you can do reps of about 10 or 12, depending on your fitness level. And in between each exercise, I would do about a minute to a minute and a half worth of rest in between. And you can do sets of 3 of each exercise, or you can perform it in a circuit like how we did, just making sure that you get the ample amount of rest in between each exercise. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and notification bell, and comment down below your favorite part of the video or something you want to see in a future video. Definitely more videos coming on the way, and glad to see you here like always. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Make sure to squeeze your ears and believe, and stay awesome. Peace.